Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Are you tired of eating rice and stew, jollof rice, or even fried rice? Don't worry, I got your back. Today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to cook pepper soup rice. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. For the ingredients, I'll be using oxtail, beef tripe, you can use any protein of your choice, cayenne pepper, bell pepper, ginger. I'm using parsley. You can use scent leaf if you have it, garlic, onions. I have everything nicely clean and cut. I will cover and roughly blend. That is done, and I will put that aside. I will be using blended crayfish, salt, bouillon. I'll transfer the oxtail inside a pot. I will add the blended ingredients, salt, bouillon, which is the Maggi I use, water. Oxtail takes a long time to cook. This can take between an hour 30 minutes to even 3 hours to be cooked, depending on how soft you like yours. If you have pressure pot, you can use it to cut down the cooking time. I'm using cast iron pot, which will cut the cooking time as well. I'll be using pepper soup spices. So here I have calabash nutmeg, which is toasted already. So you need to toast it to get more flavor out of the calabash nutmeg. And this is the one I'm going to be using, which is already taken off the shelf already. I'll be using black pepper and Eden fruits. So to crack the calabash nutmeg, I like to use a nut cracker, which is much easier to do. So all you need to do, place it in the nut cracker and crack it. Like so, and I will repeat the process until I am done. So in a dry grinder, I'll be adding the black pepper and calabash nutmeg. I'll cover and blend. And that is done. So here I have the oxtail is be cooking now for about 40 minutes. I will add the beef tripe at this point. Add the Eden fruits. A little bit of water. I will stir. I will cover until they are cooked. So here is the rice I'm going to be using. I'm using the Golden Sailor basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. And I have water boiling on the stove. I will add the rice. Stir. I will cover and parboil the rice for about 5 minutes. And this is 5 minutes later. Parboiling the rice helps to take out some of the starch. So if you are not going to parboil the rice, you have to wash the rice very well. So I'll transfer the rice to the sink and wash. Over here, I have the meat. The meat is been cooking now for a while. I'll check if they are soft enough. And at this point, this meat is soft just the way I like it. I will add the parboiled rice. Add diced onions. I will add some pepper soup spices, blended crayfish, and I'll stir. I will not be adding oil to this rice. The meat produces its own oil, and that is just okay for me. I'll taste for season, and I'll add some salt and stir. I will cover and cook until the rice is ready. Over here, I'll go ahead to cut the parsley, and I'm using my kitchen scissors. You can use a knife to do this as well. So if you have scent leaf or basil leaf, you can go ahead and use those. So for today, I'm using parsley for this recipe. And that is done. So the rice is been cooking now for about 20 minutes. I'll check if the rice is ready, and at this point this rice is dry and is ready. I will finish it up with the vegetables and stir. Once the vegetables are in there, I turn off the stove. The heat will cook the vegetables. I wish you guys can perceive the aroma coming out of my kitchen. This rice was very, very delicious. This is a must-try recipe. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know what you think about it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.